This video is sponsored by ProDemand from Mitchell 1. Complete OEM and real-world repair information delivered in a single lookup. For more information and a free demonstration, visit mitchell1.com.
With sensors on a vehicle, knowing how it's connected to the wiring harness is probably just as important as knowing the theory and operation on what's going on inside here. When you're trying to diagnose a vehicle, typically you'll pull codes. It's going to point towards a component. But to understand how that component works, you're going to need the wiring diagram. Some wiring diagrams are not built for the technician. They're built for the engineer and knowing how the car was built. You'll have a front section, a rear section, maybe something for the doors, but finding that component on that wiring diagram may be very difficult. But some repair information and wiring diagrams are structured around the component and not the section of the vehicle. This way you could search for the component first, find the wiring diagram, and then on this wiring diagram you can highlight the sections of wiring that pertain to this sensor. This way you can track down the power, the ground, the sensor wires, and other important information for that vehicle. With this, you can look at what shared grounds other components have to see if that's related to the code that you have. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.